6 months ago, this was my screen every single day. 15 tabs open, 3 Stack Overflow pages, 1 YouTube tutorial I paused halfway, and a bug I've been staring at for 40 minutes. I graduated last year. I'm working as a full-stack developer at a dev company, and nobody tells you how to actually work fast. You figure it out yourself. So I did. And 2 AI tools completely change how I work. Not in a hype way. In a real, I use this every single day way. Let me show you exactly what I changed and why it matters. First tool, Cursor AI. This is my code editor now, and it's the one that changed the most. Old way, open a blank file, write what I remember, Google the rest, piece it together slowly, break something, Google again. I describe what I want like I'm talking to a senior developer. It doesn't just auto-complete, it understands the context of my whole project. But here's what matters. I don't just accept what it gives me. I read it. I understand it. I ask it to explain the parts one don't know yet. That's the difference between using AI as a crutch and using it as a teacher. Before Cursor, a feature like this took me 2 to 3 hours, including all the research. Now, 40 minutes. And the code is actually cleaner than what I used to write alone. Second tool, ChatGPT and Claude. And I want to show you exactly how I use it because most people use it wrong. Wrong way. Type explain JWT. Get a wall of text. Understand nothing. Close the tab. Right way. Be specific about exactly where you are. Explain JWT authentication like I'm a junior dev who knows JavaScript but never implemented auth before. It completely changes the answer you get. Then I push deeper. Show me a real example and tell me what can go wrong. I treat it like a senior developer with unlimited patience. I ask the same question 5 different ways until I actually get it. No judgment. No, just Google it. And for debugging, this is where it saves me the most time every single day. I paste the error. I paste my code. I ask what's wrong and why. What used to be 40 minutes of frustration is now 5 minutes. It's not always right, but it's right enough, fast enough, that it's changed everything about how I work. So here's the actual difference in my day. Learning a new concept before 2 to 3 hours. Now, 45 minutes. Writing a new feature before 2 to 4 hours. Now, about 1 hour. Debugging an error before 30 to 60 minutes of pure pain. Now, 5 to 15 minutes. I'm not a genius. I didn't suddenly get smarter. I just stopped fighting my tools and started using better ones. Same brain, better tools. Subscribe if you want more. I post every week about AI tools that actually matter for developers and students. See you in the next one.